I'm Gary, and I just got here. Today I'm flying at the church, and I have a treat for you guys. I've got the e-flite F15 in the blue camo paint, and this is going to be the maiden flight, so it's going to be pretty amazing, and I'm super excited to try it. I've never flown a jet, so we'll see what happens.
So this will be trimming and everything.
And it's gonna fly perfect. What are you talking about?
You know, the jets do really good, I noticed. Like, how many jets
safe on, right?
Yep, so I got this on safe and low rates for the takeoff, and I'm giving it as much runway as, well, I could give it a little more, but I think this is gonna be plenty. And so we're gonna take off, circle around, see how it looks. And I'll flip safe off if I think it looks good. Let's do it. Well, I might have to turn off the safe now. Taking it time to getting back around to me. Alright, yep. We'll put her on high rates. That'll help. There we go, yep. I'm at about half throttle. And it's still moving along nice. See if we can get it down here a little closer. There we go. Down in front of us. There we go, nice. Still on safe. I had it off for a second, but then the guys behind me said, put it on high rates, and so that's what we did, and now it's working great. Slow it down a little bit to help it sink into the pass. You can see the safe keeping it from rolling because I got it banked full right. You guys might having trouble seeing it way out there, but this is a recorded video because I'm keeping this a secret from the guys I'm going to be flying with today. It'll actually be Saturday, but you guys are seeing it on Saturday, so the magic of YouTube. I'll be flying with some other guys today. I'll be flying with Nate and Dan Nunez and Dastardly Dave, as long as the weather's decent.
Okay, flip that safe off, let's that thing roll.
All right, let's bring it back around. We got the safe off.
There we go. Nose up. Nice. Good rates.
I'm a little over half throttle, and it is kind of small for as dark as it is. We'll bring it back around. Here we go.
See, I've been around the sport.
So like I said earlier, I've never flown a jet, so this is all new to me. Let's take it up.
I like that plane.
So Nate and the guys all talked me into buying this, and we'll be flying them all together. I don't know if it's going to be like 5 or 6 of them all at the same time. And so that'll be something to look forward to today. I don't know if I'll probably be going live and they'll probably be recording it. Let's get her in safe and see if I can get a decent landing in here. I do have the LiPo alarm, but I don't have it in there. And they said to set this for 3 minutes. So I got it in safe now. This is probably going to be the hardest part of the whole flight, is the landing. In fact, I'm a little tempted to take it down there to the driveway and do a crosswind, but I'm not going to. This might be a flyby if I can't get it lined up decent.
Yeah, I think you got a good run time.
So I'll take that landing all day, every day. So I do have the Smart battery by Spectrum in there. The 50C 2200 3-cell, or 4-cell actually, and performed really well. I'm really happy with that. So if you guys like videos like this, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Give me a thumbs up and leave some great comments. Tell me how I did with my first flight with a jet. I felt like it was a good one. Hopefully you guys got to see the plane some. I realized it was high and way out there some of the time, and I do apologize for that. It's just nerves and first time type of thing. So, but you guys got to share the experience of a Maiden with my F15, and as always, I'm Gary, and I just got here.